Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will delve into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 31st of July, 2024, our system has classified NIO as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.28. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 12.39%. This equates to an average daily loss of 3.10% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock currently rests in the midst of a broad and declining short-term trend, indicating that further decline is anticipated. The present 3-month trend points to a possible change of approximately -20.46% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from -24.76% to -5.3%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around -47.52% over the upcoming year, with a potential return between -76.48% and +4.91%. This results in a projected price range between 91 cents and $4.08 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, Evaluation of NIO stock downgrade after the last trading session. The NIO stock price experienced a decline of 3.95% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 5th of August, 2024. It decreased from $4.05 to $3.89. This marks the third consecutive day of decline for the stock. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 8.47%, reaching a low of $3.66 and a high of $3.97. Notably, the price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall drop of 17.06% during this time frame. Additionally, trading volume increased by 14 million shares, although this occurred amid falling prices, which could indicate a potential early warning and slightly elevated risk in the coming days. In total, 53 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $205,035,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $15.20, while the lowest was $3.61. Currently, the price stands 74.41%, or $11.31, below the 52-week high, and 94.19%, or $63.10, below the all-time high, which was reached on January 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO, the Chinese luxury electric vehicle maker, is currently navigating a challenging market landscape, with its stock down roughly 55% year-to-date. This decline outpaces rival XPeng, which is down 46%. Recent commentary suggests that amidst this downturn, some analysts view NIO as a stock worth considering, citing its potential recovery as it competes with other established brands. Despite a notable 44% increase in electric vehicle deliveries this year, NIO's performance is tempered by market pressures, especially in light of the Chinese government's decision not to issue further economic stimulus for the remainder of 2024. This has raised concerns about the longer-term sustainability of growth in the electric vehicle sector, as government backing has been a significant factor in the past. In July, NIO delivered 20,498 vehicles, a modest increase from last year. While this growth is positive, investors are looking for stronger volume increases that could signal the path to profitability. The stock was reported at $4.44 recently, with a slight day-to-day rise, but the overall market sentiment remains cautious. Looking ahead, potential political changes, such as the influence of upcoming figures like Vice Presidential candidate J.D. Vance, could reshape the electric vehicle landscape further. If these changes lead to reduced subsidies for electric vehicles, it may impact sales and investor interest in NIO in the long term. As the market evolves, investors will need to closely monitor both the performance metrics of NIO and the broader economic environment to gauge future stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 5th of July, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight grade while recommending a hold action. On Saturday, the 8th of June, 2024, Barclays gave NIO an underweight grade along with a hold action. On Friday, the 7th of June, 2024, Goldman Sachs reported a neutral grade for NIO, also suggesting a hold action. On the same day, Mizuho Securities issued a neutral grade for NIO, recommending a hold action. Additionally, on Friday, the 7th of June, 2024, Bernstein rated NIO as market perform and advised a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also deemed a sell. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have categorized the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The NIO stock shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average remains above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at $4.24 and $4.46. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 16th of July, 2024, and so far, the stock has declined by 20.61%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 10 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 218 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 310 thousandths of a dollar between its highest and lowest points, reflecting a change of 8.47%. Throughout the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 7.07%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's briefly review some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is incurring losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of negative P/E ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other developments, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 3rd of September, 2024. Analysts have consensus estimates of negative $460,000. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.44. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a good level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for NIO from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup and C executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is NIO stock a good investment? NIO presents several negative indicators and is currently within a broad and declining trend, leading us to anticipate continued weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a pessimistic outlook on this stock. Following a reassessment of minor technical weaknesses, we have revised our analysis from a sell to a strong sell recommendation. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 6th of August, we expect NIO to open lower by 5 cents and commence trading at $3.84. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.